Hello everyone. Welcome to the demo of our Mercari clone script. In this video, we are going to explore the admin panel, the place where the entire marketplace is controlled and monitored. Let's start with login. To access the admin panel, simply enter the admin email address and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the main control center, the dashboard. The dashboard provides a complete overview of platform activity in one place. At the top, you can instantly see the total number of items listed, orders placed, stores available, customers registered. This helps the admin understand platform performance without opening multiple pages. Below that, you will see the order status tracking section. Here orders are categorized clearly into unassigned orders, accepted by delivery agent, packed orders, out for delivery, delivered orders, cancelled orders, refunded orders, payment failed orders. Each status gives real-time operational visibility so the admin always knows what is happening across the marketplace. Next, we move to the revenue analytics section. Here earnings are displayed using graphs and charts, making financial tracking simple and visual. The admin can filter revenue by day, month, year. This helps identify growth patterns and business performance easily. Scrolling down, we have performance insights. Top selling stores, most popular stores, top selling products. By clicking View All, the admin can open full detailed listings and analyze which sellers and products are performing best. You can also change dashboard data range today, this week, this month, or yearly reports. Now let's move to the users section. Here the admin can see all registered users in a detailed list. From this panel you can add new users, edit user details, activate or deactivate accounts, perform management actions. Next is admin users, where multiple administrators can be created and managed with different access roles. Now we open the products section. This displays the complete product listing including product name, category, seller name, seller email, listing analytics. To modify a product, click Edit. Here the admin can update all details such as title, description, images, price, category, specifications. The platform also allows exporting product listings and filtering based on zone, store, order type, and status. Next, we move to the orders module, one of the most important sections. Orders are separated into multiple categories for easy management. All orders, scheduled orders, pending, accepted, processing, on the way, delivered, cancelled, payment failed, refunded, offline payments. This separation makes order tracking extremely simple for administrators. You can also open each order to see complete details including payment and delivery information. There is also a dedicated refund orders list. Now let's check category management. The admin can create a structured marketplace hierarchy. Add category. Add subcategory. Add child category. Simply choose the parent category, enter the name, set sorting order, and submit. Custom fields. Next is custom fields. Here the admin can create listing attributes for products. For example, size, brand, condition, color, or specifications. Select category, choose field type, add values separated by comma, save. This allows flexible product listing across multiple industries. Enquiries section. In the enquiries section, the admin can view customer questions and communication requests directly from the panel. Next is subscription plan management. The admin can create seller plans by entering plan name, number of posts allowed, price, expiry days, plan details. This enables monetization of the marketplace. Now moving to notifications. First is templates, where you create reusable notification messages. Then campaigns, where you select template, choose target users, set send date and time, schedule notification. You can also view complete notification logs. Next we see the location management. In the location section, the admin controls service areas. You can add countries, states, cities. Simply select country, add state, add city, save. This helps manage multi-location marketplaces. Now let's open the settings section. Payment plans. Configure available payment options. Payment gateway. Activate or deactivate gateways and set transaction fees. Escrow settings. Set auto-release days and dispute resolution duration. You can also choose who receives email notifications. Buyer, seller, or admin. Platform policies and content. In this section, the admin can edit platform pages such as terms, policies, and informational content directly from backend without coding. Additional tools. The admin panel also includes transaction reports, dispatch management, search tools, language change options. Everything is designed for easy operation. Finally, clicking the logo returns you to the dashboard homepage. This completes the admin panel walkthrough of our Mercari clone script. In the next video, we will explore the front-end website features and user experience. Thank you for watching.